Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is The Lagoon. It is a short story written by Joseph Conrad and I am going to discuss some important MCQs from this story. So let's start. Question number 1. Who wrote The Lagoon? Answer is Joseph Conrad. Question number 2. What is a lagoon? Answer is a shallow saltwater lake separated from the sea by sandbanks. Question number 3. The lagoon was first published in 1897 Cornell magazine. Question number 4. What are the themes of the story? Answer is betrayal, remorse and retribution. Question number 5. In which collection was this story published? Answer is Tales of Unrest. Question number 6. What is the role of the white man? Answer is he is a passive listener and a keen observer. Question number 7. According to Arsat, a man must speak of where and love. Question number 8. What does the term Juragon mean? It means head of the steersman. Question number 9. What does the term stern means in the story The Lagoon? Answer is the back part of a boat. Question number 10. The word lagoon has derived from Latin word lacuna. Question number 11. What is the setting of the play The Lagoon? Answer is Malayan setting. Question number 12. We are two who are like one. Who said this? Arsat's father told this to Arsat. Question number 13. The Malay only granted. Here the Malay refers the steersman of the boat. Question number 14. Who is called father of evil? Answer is Arsat. Question number 15. What was the name of the ruler? Answer is See the Dream. Question number 16. A twisted root of some. How does this root look like? Answer is an arrested snake. Question number 17. Have you medicine Tuan? Here Tuan is the white man. Question number 18. Who said patience is wisdom? Answer is Arsat's father. Next question. What type of character is the white man in the story? Answer is flat character. Question number 20. There is half a man in you now. It is spoken by Arsat's father. Question number 21. We will pass the night in Arsat's clearing. Who is the speaker? Answer is the white man says this to the steersman. Question number 22. A cry, discordant and feeble. Whose cry is referred to here? Answer is an unknown bird. Question number 23. And disappeared from the river. Who disappeared? Answer is the canoe of the white man. Question number 24. How many times did Arsat's father call out? Answer is thrice. Question number 25. Allah be praised. Who prayed this? Answer is boatman of the white man. Question number 26. What does the term O Mera Bhaiya means? Answer is calamity of misfortune. Question number 27. What was under the towering big trees? Answer is Nipa palm trees. Question number 32. What is sarong? Answer is it is Arsat's dress. Question number 33. Seem to enter the portals of a land from which the every memory of motion have forever departed. This portal symbolically suggests to mind of Arsat. Question number 34. Why did the polars think about Arsat? Answer is he is not afraid to live amongst the spirit. Question number 35. The Malay only granted. Why he granted? Answer is he wants to show his displeasure. Question number 36. What does the word Edis mean? It means whirlpool. Question number 37. The time mentioned here at the outset of his story is afternoon. Question number 38. She burns no more. It is an example of euphemism. Question number 39. Engaged at the wake of the boat. Here wake means track behind a boat moving through water. Question number 40. A country where death is unknown. Which country is referred to here? Answer is the lagoon. Question number 41. According to Arsat, we can lay down the heaviness on travel in friend's heart. Question number 42. What resolution was taken by Arsat at the end of the story? Answer is he will avenge his brother's death. Question number 43. Arsat's brother had a gun given by the white man. Question number 44. What does the word hesitating mean in the story The Lagoon? Answer is flowing slowly. Question number 45. What type of forest is associated with the lagoon? Answer is tropical forest. Question number 46. Tuan, I loved my brother. What does the above line indicate? Answer is Arsat's freak of conscience. Next question. They brought news to. Who heard from them about you also? Here they refers to the traders. Question number 48. The head of the pro of white man was like a dragon. Question number 49. You remember the lady with the veiled face, Tuan? Who was the lady? Answer is Inchmida. Question number 50. How many number of paddlers attached to the boat? Answer is 8. Question number 51. Daimlin had been ill for 5 nights or 6 days. Question number 53. We are sons of the same mother. This is spoken by Arsat. Question number 54. The narrow creek was like a ditch. Here the word creek means a deep strip of water extending into the land from the sea. Question number 55. When the white man found Daimlin, she remained unconscious. Question number 56. How did the forest appear? Answer is somber and dull. Question number 57. How was Arsat's home made? Answer is cleaning bush. Question number 58. What is sampan? Answer is large country canoe of Malay. Question number 59. What was the first question of Arsat? Answer is have you medicine Tuan? Last question. Where was Arsat's house made? Answer is on high piles. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.